If you see two walls of coils inside your air conditioning unit, treat them as separate surfaces that both need inspection and cleaning. Start by turning power off at the breaker and removing the service panel so you can see between and behind the coil walls. Work from the cleaner manufacturer recommendations and the unit manual because some designs trap debris between the walls and require access panels or partial disassembly to reach the interface. Use a foaming coil cleaner that clings to vertical surfaces and spray the accessible side first, then open or reach between the walls and apply cleaner to the inner coil face as well, so you do not leave a contaminated layer behind. For rinsing, use low pressure and short bursts so you do not bend fins or force water into electrical components. A garden hose on a gentle setting or a low pressure coil rinse tool is usually sufficient. If the inner wall cannot be reached safely, vacuum loose debris with a soft brush attachment and repeat the foaming cleaner cycle to dissolve grime, letting dwell time work before gentle rinsing or wiping. Always inspect for corrosion, oil, or refrigerant stains that indicate other problems and document the condition before reassembly so you can report issues to the homeowner or service team. Technicians often miss the inner wall entirely because dual wall units are less common, so the simple fix is to methodically work both faces rather than assuming one pass is enough. Another frequent mistake is using high pressure to rinse, which can bend fins and push debris deeper. Use low pressure and work from both sides when possible. A third concern is overlooking manufacturer access instructions and voiding warranty by forcing panels open. Check the manual and use proper tools, or stop and contact the manufacturer or a qualified technician if access is unclear. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and posts project examples and discussions that often include equipment variation tips like dual wall coils, helping us learn from real cases. We host a discussion community so our users and contractors can ask questions, share experiences, and find work or hire for the right skill set.